Welcome back. In this video I have today again a HP monitor. It is a 24-inch monitor, and this monitor model is E24u G4 FHD USB-C type monitor. And this monitor has a USB-C display, two display, one out and two USB HDMI and normal power cable. It is, and a good thing about this monitor has a very good you can say bezel-less around it, and it is a HP IS monitor. So I'll attach the stand onto the monitor. Stand coming to a two-part, one base and this hand as well. So in order to attach the stand, we just need to align the screw, and then just need to align those screws and then tighten those screws. It will allow us to fit this base. Now simply just putting the stand. So this is how we attach this stand into the monitor. So now those who want to remove this stand, it is a bit tough. We can't find out the attach button. It is simply located in bottom of this panel. You just need to press and lift the stand. So this is how you can remove stand from your E24u G4 monitor.